Hi and welcome to Rose Kitchen and Garden. Sorry, I have not made a video in a long time. That's because I was busy with a few things. But I promise I'll soon make a video. This is a short video, this one, because a lot of things are growing in the garden. It's been raining actually past 2 weeks, so everything is very green in the garden. Everything's growing, but also the leaves are turning yellow because of a lot of water, overwatering. Anyways, let's start with what we have. So here I have some oh god, I forgot what this is called. Marigold, yeah. Marigold and rose. Now I like to keep a little flowering plants next to my veggie patches because it helps obviously in pollination, so I don't have to literally take a paintbrush and do pollination myself. This is methi or fenugreek microgreens. Soon I will make something out of it. Maybe tomorrow or day after there'll be a recipe that will come, and I will also show you the process of growing these microgreens. All right, this is my tomato. Lots of flowers on it, lots. I don't know which variety this is. I think I eat some tomato. I liked it, so came down and sowed some seeds. Came up and sowed some seeds. Sorry. So this is our tomato. I think these are three in one pot. Also, I just planted one here with the rose. So that's also growing. Those are two. So growing well. This is now I have just recently planted melon. This is a melon. And the seedlings are growing, so there's soon going to be lots of melons to eat. This is chamomile. This is German chamomile. So I'm waiting for this plant to grow and we can make our chamomile tea. This process also I'll show you how to make the chamomile tea. This is cosmos, again from seeds. It's long. I will repot this. Mint is growing really well. You have to keep pulling out these weeds on and off, especially when it's raining. There are a lot of weeds. So weeds is uh, now when I say weed, my friends ask me what is weed, why are you growing weed, and if I say it's wild grass, now again they're not gonna be very happy with that answer. But yes, this weed is wild grass actually. This is bay leaf, growing very tall. You can see. Yeah. Then this is eggplant. This is, look at the size of the leaf. Let me show you this one. Just look at the size of this leaf. See, bigger than my palm. So this is the big variety. This is the it's called some queen. Again, I don't know, I'm so bad with these names, but lots and lots of buds here, green buds. See, I was just pinching of these pincers that come here. You have to, they grow in between these two stems, these two branches, and you have to pinch them off. You have to remove them. Suckers, they're called suckers. Tomatoes and eggplants get these suckers. So if you remove the suckers, the nutrition goes to the fruit and not to these suckers. Yeah. Pandan leaves, rosemary, doing well. This is radish. I have lots and lots of radish growing here and there. I just went and I sowed seeds in whichever pot I found was empty, but it has to be deep, like it has to be deep pots, right? So let's see the depth of this one if you want long radishes. So here there are three growing. These are few beans that I planted. There's some, since we are organic gardeners, we don't use chemicals, so there is some worm or insect munching on this, though I sprayed my neem pesticide, but still I think because it's been raining, the pesticide gets washed away, so no use. This is lemongrass. This is ajwain, or I just learned that this is called some mint. I think it's called Mexican mint or something. This is not exactly ajwain, yeah. So ajwain is not going to grow on this, but this tastes and smells like ajwain, so it's called ajwain. Then some black pepper, again growing. This plant I just love, this black pepper vine, because it just keeps producing and producing black peppers in plenty. Oh, see, they've turned red, these berries, pink actually. This is how it turns. It turns pink, and then that means it's ready for you to harvest. Our basil, Thai basil, and our Italian basil, just look at this, so green. And these are the flowers. I don't like to pluck them a lot because this attracts a lot of honeybees in my garden, so I love that. There's another eggplant that I planted. So there are 3 eggplants there, and there are 2 here. Again, this is Black Beauty, not Queen, Black Beauty. This is the Black Beauty variety. It's growing, lots of buds here. Let me see if there are any pincers, suckers which I can pinch off here. Yes, you see these growing in between 2 branches. You can just remove them. So the plant doesn't spend energy in growing them. This plant spends energy in going through these tubes and then coming here and giving it to the bud, the growing bud. Yeah. So this way you can help in good production of eggplants. We also planted some watermelon here, which I see there is a seedling growing. So fingers crossed, positive. Lot of radish here, lots of radish. These are going to be small size because you see how much I've overcrowded this space, but it's okay. Then these are again some more radishes, and like I said, wherever I found space in any pot I planted radish. So this is a chili plant again, and I potted radish. Here I have planted radish in the Thai basil. My coriander is doing really well, and I planted some onions in the coriander, so they are also doing well. Again, amidst all these veggies, I have planted orange type of marigold. This again, same thing, good for pollination. This is red bell pepper growing. I'm going to repot into a bigger pot. This is what I was saying, everything kind of turns yellow now because chili doesn't require so much water. Chili in fact requires hot temperatures, but since it's raining and cool, chili is going to suffer. That's what it's doing. It is kind of stopped production of flowers. Nature, so beautiful. It's trying to conserve its heat and energy, so it's stopped production of flowers. So there are some chilies there, but there are no flowers. This is the long variety of eggplant. Again, lot of varieties here, lot of eggplants here on this plant. I just harvested few. This is papaya, which needs to be repotted. This is thyme. Again, beans. This is bottle gourd, and this is onion chives. Our cucumbers are doing well. There are some in the ground there above here. There are some here. I had planted 10, out of which I think only 2 are left. Rest have been eaten by snails and slugs. This is runner beans again, and these are French beans. These are tomatoes again. I put this basket which I had. This is also flowering. So now these tomatoes are flowering, and if there are not many honeybees or something, you can just tap like this on the branch, and the pollens fall on each other, and you'll have tomatoes. Then again, radishes here, and this is coral jasmine, which I have one down, but the leaves are good for diabetes and stuff, medicinal purposes, so I've kept them here also. Now this is corn. Just look at how wild it's growing. This is mango ginger. Now again, a medicinal rhizome, very very good for health. It takes around 9 months to grow. I've planted this 3 months ago, and once we harvest this, I will make a video on it. Right now you can just see this. It's beautiful and very fragrant. And similarly, I've put turmeric here. I put it 3 months ago because I need turmeric leaves for Ganpati Puja and Ganesh Chaturthi. So I knew September was Ganesh Chaturthi and I will need these leaves for Modak. So I planted them 3 months ago. So at least I have a few leaves to put my Modaks on. Modak video I'm going to make soon. My Ganpati video, my Gauri video, all of that. I promise there'll be a lot of content coming. this is it for now. This is our kitchen garden. Sorry, this is our rooftop garden, which has veggies and stuff like that. At the back, we have a fruit garden, like I had told you, and this side is my Chanel number 5 garden, which is ylang ylang, rose, jasmine, lime, lemon. So I call it my Chanel number 5 garden. Let me show you. That's here, all growing. Below this as well, but it's not completely ready yet, as in there are scaffoldings and stuff, so I've never given you a proper tour, but this is it. So hope you like this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and very sorry for the delay. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.